What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be breaking down some major news regarding Ghost Rider potentially making his MCU debut in Phase 5, and it may not be what you expected. But before we dive in, if you could grab that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can get the latest buzz on everything comic book movie related. Should you do just that, we'll qualify you for a special giveaway I'll be doing, so stay tuned to the end of the video for the rest of those details. Anyways, there's quite a bit to unpack, so need I say more? Let's dive right in. For context, we have quite a bit to look forward to in the next few years of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. We have numerous movies and series that will be hitting the Disney Plus streaming service, but today a new report is going around that Marvel has big plans for Ghost Rider in the MCU. To begin, this report is coming from MCU Cosmic, which has been very credible in the past, so take that as you will. According to industry insider Daniel RPK, Marvel is in the early stages of development for a solo Ghost Rider movie. Take into account that in the past, Marvel Studios president Kevin Feige has expressed interest in bringing Ghost Rider into the MCU, so this tweet from Daniel does make quite a bit of sense. The report goes on to say that it is unclear which version of Ghost Rider we will be getting in the MCU, but in the comments he mentions that we may be getting the cosmic version of Ghost Rider from the comic books. This also makes perfect sense, considering that the future of the MCU is set to focus on the cosmic side of the universe. Obviously, we must take this with a grain of salt, as nothing has been confirmed just yet, but what are your thoughts on this report from MCU Cosmic? Sound off with your thoughts down below. Now let's get into the giveaway details. I'll be giving away the exclusive Avengers Endgame re-release poster, and all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. I will catch you next time.